Hi guys, it's me again, K-Card. So for this video, I'm going to unbox Cosmic trading cards. So this was ordered last year pa, but then since wala naman sumabay ng group order for just personal collection, I didn't ship them out immediately from the warehouse. So all of these are sealed. Ayan siya. So, total of 14 for this version. Tama ba? 3, 2, 4, 6. Hold on. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Yeah. Hindi ko siya na quantity check kasi kanina. So, this one, okay, ito siya. Version A. So, there are two versions. Ito yung version A. And also, ito yung version B. So, ito, ilan ba to? I think this one is also 14. 4, 8, 12, 13, 14. So, yeah, it's also 14. So, this one is version B. So, my goal is to be able to get a copy of each nung version. So, may special card siya. Hopefully, I get one then. Anyway, so, again, version A, version B, and yeah, let's do it. I'm not sure. Actually, tinatry ko tignan yung record ko. Parang hanggang 16 minutes lang pala yung max. So, maybe if hindi kaya sa time, I'll just do one version for this video. Pero kung kaya naman sa time, then let's do both na lang. And watch until the end because there will be giveaway again. Same siya dun sa What a Chill Kill trading cards. Congrats, by the way, sa winners. I'll do a special video compilation ng mga winners. Anyway, so, ayan, focus tayo dito. So, let's try to complete OT5. Okay, let's start. Tadaan! So, this one, and siya, it's still sealed. Sino kaya yung unang set na makikita natin? Ayan. Let's see. Tadaan! Guess who? Okay, so we have here Joy. Sana makuha ng special card. May special version nito. It's totally random. And then, tama ba? Parang hindi ko siya namukhaan noon for a second. It's a set. Ganyan yung sample set niya. I didn't saw the checklist pa. Ganyan na naman ako. Actually, nakita ko na before, but then, last year pa kasi ito, parang nakalimutan ko na ata. Ay, di ko na siya ibabalik. Ay, sige, ibabalik ko na lang. Kasi feeling ko pag di ko siya binalik, same as before, nami-misplace ko siya or what. Anyways, so, by the way, oh, same sa last time, kapag you won the giveaway, I'll keep the card safe. Free na yung, wala ka nang babayaran na shipping cost or anything. Free shipping siya. And then, meron ng mga, bumili ako ng sobrang daming top loader. As in, like, isang buong dozen ng box siya. To prepare for this one. Anyways, so, sige. Oops. Ay, okay. So, I might not have time kasi to place it. So, ilagay ko na siya ngayon. Feeling ko kasi minsan kasi, tinatamad na ako. So, nakakaligtaan ko siya. Oh, by the way, guys, there's 2 ongoing giveaways. Yung 2 na giveaways is sa season greetings. And thank you so much sa mga nag-join na ng giveaway. Ayan. So, ito. Next, trading card set. By the way, watch until the end kasi the questions will be related sa pag-unbox. Harry. Naniniba ako sa Wendy, diba? Ano ba naman to? Nalilito na ako. Joke lang. Yeah, it's Wendy. Mamaya ko na siya arrange. And then, totally, I forgot na talaga the checklist. Jerry, Wendy. Oh, it's Tom and Jerry. Yung siniship nila sa, sa Twitter. Sugi. Ang ganda naman ng nakuha ko, Jerry. Puro may variety siya. Like, hindi siya duplicate. Sayo ko talaga ng duplicates. Ang hirap kasi. Let's start arranging it. Mamaya na. Onte pa lang naman. So, this one is Sugi and then Yeri. And then, let's see. I'm gonna open every... I don't have plans to sell it ng sealed kasi I'm after completing it. Hopefully, 14 sets is okay. Oh my gosh! Nakuha ko yung special card, guys! Kita niyo ba yung difference? Wait I'm so lucky! Yay! Ayan o, magkaiba siya. Oh, kita niyo ba? Wait, ayan o. Ano mo, may sparkling siya. Tapos ito wala. Sorry. Ito na naman ako. Okay, so this one is I got Sugi. Sugi and Joy. Mamaya ka na ayusin. Basta open lang muna ako open. Ayan. And then, let's see what do we get dito. Oops. Okay. Sana makakuha ka ng marami pang special card. Oh, possible pala yun. Wendy set. Wendy. Ayan. Sabagay, kanina nagkaroon din ako ng set. Okay. Hindi pa the last time. Yung kay... Isa watch What the Chill Kill. I was able to get member sets then. Back then. Like, same member. And it's really lucky to have it. Imagine kung bias mo si Wendy and then nakuha may Wendy set ng super bilis. Like, you don't have to be... It didn't have to be random. Wait, Wendy, Irene. So, ayan. May variation na siya. Okay. Let's open more. I forgot. I opened this one kasi nga pala lalagay ko siya sa lalagyan. Should I do it now? Feeling ko alanganin siya. Huwag na nga. Alanganin. Sige. Kasi it's already 7 minutes na pala. I don't have plans to edit na kasi early so tinatamad na. Wala na rin ako sa time. Should I put it isa-isa? Feeling ko wala na siya sa time. Pero sige, let's try. Okay, mabilis lang naman to. Anyways, guys, for this video, same, ilan ba yung sa What the Chill Kill? I forgot na rin. Pero sige, let's do a lot this time. Oh, there will be, like, events pa ba? Pero, sige, maybe I'll, I was thinking to do giveaway sa event. Pero, no na siguro kasi why? I don't know why. Actually pwede. Yung si admin mag-host nung sa usually kasi they do games and then with prizes. And by the way, joining is free. I'll talk to the admin and ask kung meron bang silang plan. Kasi sila yung nag-decide. So, yeah. Anyway, so, Sugi, Yeri, let's put Wendy in between. Tama ba? Wendy and Joy in between. So, yeah. By the way, the sleeves I'm using is really thick. Hehehe. Last time kasi manipis. Ayoko na manipis. Mas okay pag gusto ko. Thick siya. And then, yung sa top loader na ginagamit ko right now, it's actually, white na ginamit ko. I'm not using blue anymore. Diba? Mas maganda pag white kasi sa blue. Hihi. So, ayan. Joy. Anyways, tapusin ko lang tong set para di kayo maboard. Charot. Ayan. Mamaya ko na ito quantity check. Kasi, takot ako baka mamaya magkaroon siya ng damage or what. So, usually, ayan, I'll place it immediately here para hindi siya ma-damage. Sobrang happy ko dito sa special one. I mean, like, I wasn't expecting that I'll be able to get because it's really random and it's really, I find it parang unexpected na nakakuha ko ng isa. Hehehe. Ayan. Okay. Game. Okay. Continue muna. This one, let's see. Guess who? Yeri and Irene. Wow, complete ko ni kay Irene. Ay, hindi. Wala pa akong ganito ni Irene. Pero complete ko na yung isa cards niya. By the way, if you win, it's either I ship it with the top loader or feeling ko mas maganda if ilagay ko siya sa envelope para meron din kayong official na collection, di ba? I think mas okay FB kasi yung ano, yung case na lang para ma-feel nyo naman, di ba? Kung wala nag-unboxing din kayo. Last time, I forgot if what did I do last time, kung top loader ba or yung case yung binigay ko dun sa winner. Let me check it later. And again, I'm gonna do a post ng summary ng mga winners. For your reference lang rin na talagang na-receive na rin nila. And then, this one. Oh, the Like a Flower album giveaway last time. I was only able to ship it like nung isang araw. Cause around last week na rin dumating yung pinakahuling box. So, anyways. Okay. Ilagay natin sa case na rin si Irene. Tapos na natin yung kay Irene. Yung ano na lang, yung sa card niya na isa. Yung version A. This one is the selfie version. It's already done. Nakagraduate na siya. Okay. Oh, by the way, let me move this aside. Okay. Actually, di ko na nga alam kung which one. I really totally didn't look at the checklist kasi I think let's move it a bit here. Ayan, para kita lahat. Anyways, next. Ito pala, para kita nyo. Ito yung mga na-open na. And then, ito yung mga remaining cards. Lagyan natin dito. Okay, I have like 4 minutes left. I don't think nakakaabot siya. Kasi, ubos na yung memory ng phone ko. Limit to 16 minutes na lang siya. So sad. So, tignan natin kung nakakaabot or not. Hopefully, nakakaabot. Sana makakuha pa kang isa pang special card. Malay nyo. Makakuha pa ako. Sana. Hopefully. Oh, by the way guys, don't forget to like this video. Tapos, mag-comment kayo later dun sa mechanics. Para maka-win kayo ng giveaway. Yay! I have how many more cards left? I won't put it na lang sa sleeves kasi feeling ko di aabot sa time. Okay, there's like 3 minutes left. And let's do it faster. I'm so sorry. Medyo mabagal ang aking galaw. Okay. This one is I'll maybe put sleeve at least para mamaya hindi ako masyado ma-stock up. Same na pala. Duplicates na ako. Oh no, there's duplicates. There's like 2 minutes left. Oh no. 2 minutes and a few seconds left. I will do it faster, don't worry. Okay. Oh, finally, I got it na. Parang blurry naman nung kay Joy. Tapos ko yung ano. Ang hirap maglagay ng ano, natatanggal yung skin ko kapag ano ng uploader. Sakit kaya. Anyways, this one. Tapos ka ni kay Irene. Set. Amazing. Yeri and Irene. Irene. Sana makakuha ng special card pa. And then, oh, there's 14 seconds left. Wala na ako ng part 1, part 2. Ay, nako. Naalala ko naman ba't ubos yung memory ko kasi hindi ko pa pala na-delete yung iba pang videos. Puno ni memory ko. There's 5 left. Maybe I can open one more. There's like a minute left. Na 16:05 lang. Ang limit ng videos ko. 16 minutes and 5 seconds. Irene ulit. Oh! Possible pala yun. Talaga. Kay Irene. Akala mo una kaya ano lang. Kaya sa mga this way, Joyrene or Wendy. Right? Possible din pala kay Irene. Let's open more. Let's leave 3. 3 along with the other version. Kasi hindi na talaga abot sa time. Oh no. Tada! Wendy, Shogi. Wow. Or maybe let's do part 1, part 2 video. I'll upload this and then bago ko gawin yung part 2. I-cut ko na lang muna. Kasi there's like few seconds left. Anyway, so ito yung summary. Ito yung so far and then there's 3 left. I'll continue it with the other